when your utilities are disconnected, that's nobody's fault but your own. If my utilities get disconnected because I forgot to pay, that's not their fault. It's not the utility company. It's my fault. Your emergency is not somebody else's priority unless they want to make it their priority. You need to ask yourself before you do it, is this something that could result in me potentially going to prison for 10 years? If the answer is yes, don't do it unless you want to potentially go to prison for 10 years. Any objection to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Holmes.
And are you Ms. Holmes?
Yes, ma'am.
For the offense of injury to an elderly person with bodily injury on June 13, 2024, for a period of 2 years. Is that you? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
You still want to plead true to violation?
All right, so here's the thing. You're going to have to speak up. And you need to speak the way you speak when you're not in court before me. So whatever agreement you think you've worked out with the state, I don't have to follow that agreement because this is a contract and it's a contract with the court. It's not a contract with the state. It's not a contract with the defense. So you pled true to violation of condition number 4. Regardless of what agreement you think you've reached with the state, I can revoke you and sentence you to 10 years in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Knowing that, do you still wish to proceed with this plea of true?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. To deny the motion, continue on regular supervision and amend for the following conditions. Immediate placement of GPS monitor for 6 months. Proof of residence or proof of employment of every OV. Don't know what OV stands for. If no proof of employment, then proof of disability. If not on disability, 4 job searches per week, as well as minimum of 12 community service hours performed monthly. Immediate enrollment in anger management course. IVR call inline for 4 months. Bi-weekly reporting for 4 months.
What have you done since you've been on probation?
Since I've been on probation, I did try to finish my classes.
So you didn't finish your classes. You tried to. All right.
For community service, because last time I was here, my lawyer asked if I could use, I was getting my BA, and he asked if I could use that for community service.
And why didn't you finish that?
A lot in between the time happened, so I did have to drop.
What has happened?
Lights were turned off in November, and it was hard for me to try to get any type of assistance for it because it was overdue and they just turned it off.